So this is not about Kenya. This is about an African initiative that will be rolled through all the countries that we have presence. If there is one thing that more would make a greater contribution, is greater access to health by our people, and greater investment in health by everybody who have the capacity and commitment to an enhanced access to quality health of the African population.
What equity brings in, which has been lacking, is that ability to transform the skills into real needed products in the communities. And we are very lucky that this collaboration is happening, because we will train these workers, we will collaborate to be able to help them do the work which is there by increasing their business skills, entrepreneurship skills, whether they are nurses, whether they are physiotherapists, all the other health workers.
At Equity will be participating at the franchise level, whether it's at the pharmaceutical level, whether it's at the health level, whether it is at the foundation level, whether it's at the insurance level and the banking level. So we are bringing an integrated solution that meets all the needs of the actors in the health space.
We are especially also very happy because this is happening at the primary healthcare level. That is the level where the Equity Group, the Equity Foundation is doing a lot of work. And that is where AMREF also does a lot of work. We believe that if we can transform primary healthcare, where 80% of Africans seek health services, then we can transform health in Africa.